Hey everyone, welcome if you are new, and if you are, my name's Nikki, better known as nikpikthrift here in the YouTube fam. We talk about all things reselling on this channel, as well as bringing awareness to mental health, and we just like to be a light in today's dark society. If you are new here, what I like to do is I like to find items at a discounted price at the Goodwill outlets, regular thrift stores, online, and in the stores at a discounted price, and ultimately sell it to make a profit. Today, I'm just bringing you a video of my vision board. It is my first vision board that I've ever made. This is a collab with Jennifer from Jen's Closet Gems. I will link her channel down below, as well as her Poshmark closet. And after you watch my vision board, go over and watch her vision board and just compare the two so you can get an idea of what you would like your vision board to be. Also, if you are new here, then you don't know that I am kind of eccentric. That's a perfect word. I just want to give a shout out to Matt, his daughter. Matt, I don't remember her name. Tell her I'm so sorry. But he and her created, and his wife created just a reseller Christmas skit, like a story. And she had me dressed up in a red dress with a red nose and cute all the way from my head to my toes. Yay! And some glitter tights. So that's about all you can see. So if you're wondering why I'm dressed like this, that is why. I'm just being a good spirit because they created a heck of a skit for us, some of us close resellers. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this. And for those of you who don't know what a vision board is, because until I started wanting to maybe do one, because I kept hearing people talk about them, the more I did the research on them, and I'm just going to let you know what I found out. A reason for a vision board is to bring everything that you dream and aspire and you set your goals for that year into life. It's also to help remind you of a bigger picture and overall goals that you want to accomplish. They also call it a dream board, so it could be called a vision board or a dream board. It's just essentially it's a physical manifestation of your dreams and goals. A tangible representation you have for yourself. And like I said, this is a collab with Jen's Closet Gems. She's a wonderful person. She also has a reselling channel, and I just love her to pieces. She's genuinely a good person. She gives a lot of tips and tricks, and she's just overall a good YouTuber. She has a very good presence about her, and she's very caring and has a big heart. Also, I will leave a link to Matt's daughter's reading page. She has a YouTube channel also. I will leave his link to his page and a link to her reading page. Just support her and just listen to her read. She's a very good reader for her age, like superb. So let's get right into this, guys. I'm so excited! Okay, so the first thing, guys, we're just going to take a look at this board. I am not an artist. Like I said, this is my first one I've ever made. I think I got it like I wanted it, and that's all that really matters. And there's our new mascot, guys, wearing his mask, wearing his shield. So he's happy to serve y'all as the mascot. I've actually brought him from West Virginia, and I was just looking at his tag, and I think I'm going to look him up, and if he's worth money, I'm going to sell him. I'm going to wash him and sell him. Okay, so we're going to start off with, you know, the biggest thing to me is consistency. I am not consistent at all, and that's one thing that I want to gain traction on, is always being consistent. So I want to replace my excuses with effort, replace laziness with determination, and everything else will fall into place 100%. Then, of course, I'm a Poshmark. Then I think I can, 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 I think I can. I knew I could. But yeah, one thing that I really, really wanted to strive for with this vision board is just to be completely positive and make them all attainable goals. I know that a lot of people seem to think that making goals that are not attainable are better, and to me, it's just for every person, to each their own. But for me, I'm really hard on myself, and I get disappointed in myself super easy. So when I don't obtain what the goals I set out, I get really distraught. It's my personality, INFJ. Now this dollar bill doesn't necessarily, you know, define just the dollar bill. It's just stands for money. It's gonna be my money maker right there. It's gonna be my money board too. I have some pictures of the palettes, and I'm always up for a good sale. So, and I have all these quotes everywhere. It says, "You look simply fabulous today." This one says, "I'd rather be shopping." That was a stamp I had. I also have a picture of money because I want to manifest all of those dollar bills right there. It says, "If you are persistent, you will get it. If you are consistent, you will keep it." Amen. Hallelujah. I agree. I don't know where she comes from, but her face is sticking to that board. But we have Posh Boss across my chest. And then we have the year 20,001, wear what moves you. And then, of course, I had to put a little bit of bling on it. This is not supposed to be on there. I put that on there. But it's just supposed to say, she leaves a little sparkle wherever she goes. And then I put, it's your big day, because every day is my big day. I'm going to keep this sitting in front of me on my wall or on this easel. And so I can look at it every day. Also, you guys know that getting monetized on YouTube is something that I want to do just because I set a goal for it. And I put this, I got this out of a magazine. It says, "I definitely don't need but want YouTube monetization." And then it says, "Absolutely, positively, 100%. You know, then I have my name. I mean, I don't even know what I'm supposed to be showing you guys, but I'm just showing you what I've done. This is what I want to gross a month, 3,200. That's very obtainable. I wanted to put something on about being crabby on there because I am very moody. It's just part of being me. And then a Just Do It. This Just Do It, and actually that Just Do It, came from a vintage notebook from the Nike headquarters in Portland. Whenever I was delivering furniture one day whenever I was working, there was the guy that was over in he was a big honcho before he retired, and he kept the notebook off of his desk, and he gave it to me. Like, well, he had a bunch of them. He gave me one of them. So, yeah, that means a lot to me. Just the different business cards I've had since I've started. That one says, "Thank you very much. You're making my dreams come true one sale at a time. I hope you know just how special you are. Love yourself. You are worth it." And I've actually had a couple people comment on this card, and that was my very first one I ever had. So, I have this. It says, when focus, consistency, and persistence merge, you get success." And then it has like the little chart of focus, consistency, and persistence, and the success is the medium in there. Now, you guys know I didn't have, you know, too many goals besides the few that I've seen. You've seen the because I want to go to the Goodwill bins. I have my little Goodwill sign there. I want to start using a GoPro a lot. My new GoPro 7 I got for Christmas. Thank you, Patrick. And Chanel, I've never had a bottle, but I'm going to own a bottle one day. And then, of course, could you walk in my shoes for a while? I'm wary of being the diva. And once again, I just want to tell Matt and his family, thank you very much for that little Christmas story. That meant a lot to me. You guys will never know. Like, you'll never know. It really did. It made my Christmas. I didn't get called by anybody. I didn't even get told by anybody Merry Christmas on Christmas. So that was really, it was really special to me. So you guys will never know. Ever, 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 ever. So, like I said, go over and watch Jen's channel. She's better at this than I am. I don't know what else to say besides I showed you guys my vision board, and I'm not going to sit here and talk about it for 15, 20 minutes. You know, I'm not going to, because, yeah, I'm not. I hope that everybody has an amazing first week of January. And I will see you guys same time, same place, same pretty little face. Bye, y'all.